up, gang? It's GMGB. Back with another banger, you know. Got my boy, Joe and this bitch.
What up, Jwlk in here. You already know what it is. OCETHELABEL, man. Come on.
You know, you about to do a little vlog, you know. We performing tonight. You ready, boy?
Hell yeah, I'm ready, bro. You about to turn this shit up, bro.
What you about to do?
Look, bro. You know the ladies love the R&B, bro. I ain't gotta say too much.
I like that.
It's gonna be what it's gonna be, bro. We're gonna turn up, have a good night, you know what I'm saying? Little cool shit.
You know, I see a K-Hawk in the back.
Yeah, this nigga's swapping hats and shit.
She was a hat. She was a
hat, bro.
That one match.
The brown one better, though.
Why would you
this one go black with the black belt with the black
But nigga, the brown, though.
You got a whole brown
nigga,
shirt,
you got a whole You just wore them black ass shoes. You should have had some brown shoes too, nigga. That shit would have snapped.
Some white forces or something. You wanna wear black shoes. He got a brown white shirt.
With the blue jeans too. He could have pulled it off. He'd have some black jeans on.
Nah, nigga, that's snap, bro. Guess my fit. Look at Joe fit.
We doing fit. Let's do fit. You know how
I'm doing some
fit.
cool
You know.
shit.
Stay safe. Stay safe.
It's cool. Wait till tomorrow. Hey, I'm coming back on some crazy shit tomorrow. He gonna be sick when I come tomorrow. God.
You see my shit, man.
This some cool shit.
I just pop out on some cool shit, man. Chains, VV, shine. Look like I'm about performing this bitch. God damn it.
Shit, you could have been before, man.
God
You went
damn it.
bullshit.
Man, I'm trying to tell him sign me up, bro. Sign up, bro.
I'm all that. Is he ready? You ready?
Nigga, I'm always ready, bro. Stay ready so you gotta get ready. What you talking about, bro? You ready. You need to get a performance for real.
Yeah,
you the next one up for real.
That's gonna stay tuned.
You the next one up for real.
See Jeezy. See Jeezy in the cut.
He come 11s.
Chill.
Jackie, okay. Tight shit. We got that shit on. We got that shit on. Pop on, man. Braids, crispy.
Yeah.
When you gonna get a
about to come turn, you know. GMGB. Stay tuned.
How you enjoy the ride, bro?
Oh, hell. You about to turn this bitch. I did that bitch bound ticket.
Damn, it's all the way down here?
Where's the door at?
You gotta go through here and shit.
Here?
We're gonna keep it rolling. I got two more for you. Let's play something unreleased. This song is dropping next Friday on all platforms. Enjoy, play Tesla.
Everybody try to hold me back. Tell me what I can and can't do, fuck that. I'm just living my own life, making my decisions my own way. Fuck you. Ballin' like I'm Kobe, I ain't acting hard, yeah, I promise you don't know me. People say I've changed, I ain't really changed shit. You know deep down I'm still the same kid. I just don't give a fuck, you know how it is. Right here, y'all gonna bring your ass up to this one. Come on. It's about not needing a bitch, dog. We don't need a bitch, right? You don't need a hoe? Bring your ass up here, come on. Rockin' with the vibe, shorty, you can go. There won't never be a day that I'm missing hoes. That's what you talking about. Best get to learn how to watch your mouth. So well, baby, I know I'll be both now.
I'll be home tonight, yeah, I'll stop sleep. Took a little time and your body seemed shining. Drinking every day, you are such a diamond. Not sure I even know how to make me again, refuse to trust again. Baby, I just wanna let you know. With you, I don't feel so alone. I hope you know that
Hey, talk to it, Drew. Okay, look. Don't know why these people hating on me. I've been pressing up progressing, see the change.
change on me. They flexing and finessing with these chains. Over and over again, but when I'm ready to walk up to you, I've run out of words to say. Lost in my thoughts, guess it's miles away. I just can't fit. Can't give you what you need, and baby it's me. Baby, I don't wanna take this too far.
Hey, I need y'all to come up here for me real quick. Come by with me real quick.
No question, loving all over you is my profession. It's 5 a.m. in Texas. Baby girl, you know how I'm feeling. The way that you look is so appealing. Baby, it's just me and you seeking. I'm in Texas, you know who the best is. Baby, yeah, you shining like diamonds on my necklace. I'm in my city where bitches be acting reckless. Get it nice and tight for the next nigga on that check. It's 5 a.m. in Texas, baby, so jealous. Ooh, yeah, I can keep it on the low key. I can keep it on the low key. Yeah, she acting like she know me, but just keep it on the low key. Keep it on the low, no one ever has to know, but you gotta play the role. Here it goes. I can keep it on the low, no one ever has to know, but you gotta play the role. Here it goes. I can keep it on the low, keep it on the low. I can keep it on the low key. Nothing to prove until I met you. Didn't wanna switch you, but I switch you. It's your choice, cause I ain't stressing. If you ain't stressing, I ain't pressing. If you ain't pressing, I ain't texting. If you ain't texting, cause I can play the role. I ain't never fall, no. You should've known the drive, she was for the bros, no. She always needed help because she always lost herself. How that nigga listen, yeah, we all know how that felt. But damn, ask yourself what you do to help. Everything you do be fucking with my mental health. Cause all the shit you say, I don't know if I trust it yet. But since we on the low, just keep it to yourself. Low key. It's my mindset. Jwlk. Baby, I got the versatility. No one had my back, but I got heavy sensibility. It's been 3 years strong in the booth, we call that a trilogy. My bread in my pockets got me here moving so differently. Deep in my boss, niggas wanna be me, but they don't know the cost. It's about the moves that come back from a loss. That's what makes real niggas into a boss. The real shit, this is my story, don't ignore me. To God be the glory, I know it's corny, but you don't know the shit that he showed me. So I'ma praise him now before I'm in the game. Now I'm back to the real R&B shit. I just have to turn it off for the one time, but I gotta sing these last 2 out real quick, man. You know I love your secrets. You know I'm so discreet, yeah. I know you've been mistreated. Kiss me hands and feet, yeah. Things like the heat tree, yeah. Baby, you're so sweet, yeah. You're so good to me, yeah. Baby girl, you're the sweetest. Got me so weak and easy. Oh, baby, that treatment. Baby girl, receive it. You know I'm the reason that you stay home on the weekend. Got me touching so much static. I swear, baby, we can take our time. I love you nice and slow. I promise if you spend the night, unconditional love is overdue. One way I can tell the truth. There's one way, it's just me and you. One way.
Cornmeat, this nigga put it to the drag race. Let's see what he about to do. Oh, this shit, bro. What he about to do?
These niggas looking at your car like you about race or something.
They about to come like that. Hey, they think we part of the drag race. We in here now, nigga. We probably gonna get the drink. And we up next and shit. Oh, man. And you, nigga. We up next. They pulling up on us. Yeah. That little bit was moving.
Let's get it, YouTube. GMGB back with part 2. You ready, boy?
You already know. Hey, I got my
night.
little nigga with me, Isaac. You feel me? About to be his first performance tonight. He featuring on one of the songs I'm doing tonight. Right now, we at the Cypher and shit. But yeah, bro, it's gonna be R&B versus rap. So basically, you got an R&B Cypher, a rap Cypher. We gonna see which one wins. You know, I'm repping R&B. You know how that goes. Yo ass should have been in it, bro. What you talking about? His ass.
Chilling right now.
Shit, fuck around about to get him in it. We gonna see what he do.
I'm gonna try to hop in this bitch. Do some little quick freestyle.
Just a little freestyle, you know. Shout out your Instagram real quick, bro. See what you
Too iconic, but it's like with a 1. Hey, I'll text that nigga. So.
Yeah.
That nigga shit, cause my shit be on some different shit.
So yeah, bro, but we about to walk up in this motherfucker, bro. Niggas is hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah, she talking about she made some salmon and shit. I don't know what the fuck. What kind of cookout meal is that?
Oh, you gonna do it now?
You don't have to smoke it to make sure that bitch hit.
Oh yeah, you gotta, it gotta hit.
You gotta hit, baby. That's the whole point. What's your name?
What's your You asked him. What's your name? Is that what?
Jay. This is SmokersCoughThePodcast.
Yeah, I heard of you.
Blindfolded? You rolling the blood?
I seen you before.
I see y'all smoking back there.
They was telling us to type in with you.
Come on. I see everything.
Mr. Sir back there. Hey, Mr. Sir.
It's one of my people's uncles. I forgot his name.
Listen, so the weed is broken down.
Mr. Sir, I'm not gonna talk to you all the way back there, Mr. Sir.
You gotta come here. Bring that ass here.
Come on, sweetheart, right?
We gonna knock out one person, do performances, and then try to do the next.
You already know. I'm about to try to beat him.
Elite Force or
Let's see the label on
the weed already broke down. Oh God. I can't beat that.
What's up, y'all? It's Jay, by the way, with SmokersCoughThePodcast. We here with Prima. Yes, sir. All right, so the time to beat is 13 seconds. However, anything under a minute in perspective, we're gonna give y'all a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let go. We're going up. We already up, baby. We up 4 seconds. We up 8 seconds. We up 12 seconds.
Things I really see. Only thinking that we had one dream. And now I'm working trying to find some peace. And now I'm working trying to find it. Running up off the lean, bitch. This shit for the team. I did this shit just for the team. I'm gonna go just in my dream. That she trying to mislead. Man, bitches, I couldn't sleep. Now I'm trying to go get the green.
Yeah, did you know it's me? No, it's me. No, it's me, yeah. Baby, did you notice me? Notice me. I know you like that. Baby, come over and just spend the night, yeah. Baby, you might need to spend the night back. Cause baby, you know it's me. No, it's me. No, it's me, yeah.
I'ma take you high and make you real high. Just baby, take it slow. Just take it slow, yeah, just take it slow. Yeah.
Hey, yo, listen. King Finesse, that's my brand, you know what I'm saying? We do customs and everything. But yeah, music-wise, I go by RNF Hydro. You can catch me on IG. Yeah, my IG is Saint_Hydro5. And then I got music out on all platforms, so just look me up, bro. RNF Hydro, yeah.
I fuck with bro on the track. He had experience. Like,
Yeah.
he heard that whole song for us.
I think they all did an excellent job.
Y'all got a pick.
So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't.
Ability that you look at me differently now. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name.
That's all we need. That's all we need. All right,
Shit, it was a good experience, bro. A good way to make shit on the fly. You know what I'm saying? Really testing my abilities to think on the get-go. You know what I'm saying? But
I told you to practice on freestyle. You ain't want to believe me. Now look, now they hit your ass with the tester.
But
now you know.
I did smooth though. I only forgot because I had that flow already written since the rap portion. I'm thinking, you feel me? So when I did it, it was like, damn. But nah, all in all though, good experience. I still, you feel me? I feel like I still did the best. You know what I'm saying? But
yeah, it's raining though. Let's get into this bit.
Part two.
Yeah, part two.
Cause you know we really like that. Ooh, yeah, put you on a flight, yeah. Ooh, you can come and spend the night, yeah.
Ain't gonna lie. Tonight, right here, this bitch about to be jumping. My nigga Joe, you about to turn up. You start cussing my phone. My boy Joe, you about to turn up, you know. About to put on a show tonight. You know, about to represent OCE. Let's get it. JLGB on top. Let's go.
The young superstar, Baby K. Baby K, talk to the people.
To tell me I'm pretty as me, you waiting, I'm perfect.
We chilling right now. My boy Joe Ball, I think he about to get on. He's like, ain't he about to get on?
Nah.
No, he probably next. That's it right now, I ain't gonna lie, they turn.
What?
They talking about he about to hit that.
Ah, you lying on camera.
Performance with me, so I need y'all to make some noise for my man Isaac. Hey, but I got all the R&B y'all need for y'all. I'm gonna turn you up a little bit, then I'm gonna get straight to the R&B and then the features. But hey, I just want to appreciate y'all for coming out, and we about to get this shit going. Let's go, Cena.
Nobody fuck with OC, yeah, we drink to the look back at your reflection. Maybe something you gotta look at your complexion. Baby, I got a confession. You know you're my biggest obsession. You know I love your secrets. You know I'm so discreet, yeah. I know you've been mistreated. Kiss from head to feet, yeah. Taste of the heated tree, yeah. If she acting like she know me, she don't know you wrong, but just keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. You don't gotta say much, you don't gotta say much. Like Cypher tryna fuck, or niggas tryna hit it up, let 'em hit it up. You know tryna make some love, and I'm not like them other niggas, baby. Don't approach me when you miss me, baby. Just let me kiss you, baby.
This song is called Wish I Had You. I met her at my college in Georgetown, Kentucky. She can sing her ass off, but she puts everything that she feels into her song. So I need y'all to show her love. Please, please show her love.
And I've never been to Columbus before, so it's my first time being here. A little bit about me. I wish I had you, like the money when the rent's due. I wish I had you, stop the lies, baby, tell the damn truth. I wish I had you, I wish I had you, I could've had you.
I wish I had you, feeling like Bruno when I'm talking to the moon. I'm only for this way when it's me and you. So stop playing games, just tell the truth.
I wish I had you.
Hey, give it up for AJ Baby one time. AJ Baby one time, you already know what it is.
Find me on all platforms. It's called The EP by Anna J. I'm on Instagram. If you want my Instagram, come and find me before I drive this 2-hour drive back. Okay.